We're here at the villa and we're gonna explore today. This place looks so beautiful, by the way. It's so magical. I haven't been here in a long time, so it's gonna be fun exploring this whole area once again. But yeah, it should be fun. I'll bring you guys with me.
Better. This is the best part. It's fast. If you blink, you'll miss it. Don't blink, because this is as slow as I can go.
Okay guys, I am back home from my trip from Los Angeles. I was there for just a few days and now I'm back home. I wanted to show you guys this cute little thing that I was gifted from my family. It is a little Winnie the Pooh Christmas decor and it is so cute. I love Winnie the Pooh, especially the vintage one. It is so pretty. So cute. Love this one. And yeah, I've been trying to get back into my routine. I went to the gym today. I made myself a sandwich and I've been really enjoying vegetables with hummus lately on the side instead of snacking on chips. So I'm not eliminating chips altogether, but I am trying to, instead of snacking on chips and things like that, to snack on vegetables or fruit or things like that, just to be a little bit more healthy. I am in the process of trying to catch up with my book because I was not able to read. So I am trying to finish that book. I really love it so far. It is so good. I think I'm like at 30% right now. Let me double check. I'm at 33% right now and I cannot wait to keep reading tonight when I relax with a little cup of tea. I bought myself some chai tea. I've been really craving tea lately, although unfortunately we have a heat wave coming in the next few days, so that's unfortunate. I am so ready for the colder weather and that time when it feels really fresh outside and you can have tea. But yeah, I'm really craving chai tea, so I went ahead and bought myself the Tazo one. So we'll see if it's good. I've never tried it. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. I am in the process of starting dinner. I'm gonna be making acorn, zucchini, chicken, and then a little bit of salad on the side because we have some leftover salad from yesterday, so thought we would just use the rest of it up. I'll bring you guys along while I'm cooking, and yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the.
Dinner was a success and it was so yummy. Now I'm going to finish reading my book and finish off where I left off. 35%. Hi guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my LA vlog and I will see you guys on the next one.